everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you few kurti designs which are made from these type of crisscross transparent net fabric. These are very simple fabric, but you can create n number of kurti designs with these type of simple fabric. So please continue watching the video till the end so that you can get an idea about the stylish kurtis you can prepare from these simple embroidered net fabric.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.